Yeah.
Isn't it true that your body is supposed to have a certain amount of blood sugar? A scientific fact?
Yes.
Oh, because at school we were just learning about doctory stuff.
Doctory?
Well, that's the only word I can maybe use. And I don't know if I made it up or not, but
Hey, what did you say though about blood sugar?
that you have to have a certain amount?
Yeah, but you used a good word to explain it.
Oh, yeah, you can't have too much and you can't have not that much at all. So you're still not healthy if you don't eat any sugar.
That's right. But if you eat too much, then what?
You'll get fat and die from obesity.
Is that true, Doctor?
That's true.